Hello! We are back again for the last episode of Seiei Home's Ikea Tour Series. For today's video, I will be showing you various products you can use for your home garden, amongst other things to decorate your dream home. Right now, you are seeing some beautiful pots and jars for your beloved plants. So for our plantitos and plantitas out there, visit IKEA now and find the plants that are perfect for your home's interior theme. From garden products, let us now proceed to IKEA's tools that you will be needing if you wish to redecorate or renovate your home. From chairs to tables to the most random things, everything and anything, you can find them at IKEA. For IKEA's dear shoppers, IKEA also has their original food products for you. These are products that you can't find anywhere here in Japan and are only available at IKEA. These food products are easy to prepare, healthy, delicious, just perfect for Japan's everyday fast-paced and busy life. From desserts, appetizers, snacks, everything, IKEA surely has them all. So what are you waiting for? Visit IKEA at the nearest branch near you. Salamat po!
So ayan, napanood nyo na yung inihandang Seiei Home Ikea Tour Series sa aming YouTube channel. So maraming salamat syempre sa lahat ng sumama sa atin mula sa episode 1 pa lang hanggang dito sa episode 5 nating video. So sana abangan nyo pa rin yung mga susunod pang tours na i-upload namin dito sa aming YouTube channel. So sana huwag nyo kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe. At syempre sana magkita-kita rin tayo pagka itatayo na namin yung sarili nyong bahay. So muli, ako si Arisa mula sa Seiei Home dito sa Iwata, Shizuoka, Japan.